Do you want to download music from YouTube as MP3? Maybe you want to listen offline, on your phone, or in your car. In this video, you will learn two easy methods. The first method shows how to convert YouTube videos to MP3. The second method shows how to get free music with no copyright. By the end of this video, you will know the best and safest way. First, open YouTube on your computer or phone. Find the music video you want. Now, copy the video link from the address bar. Next, open a YouTube to MP3 converter website. Paste the link into the converter box. Then, click on Convert. Wait a few seconds. When the Download button appears, click Download. Your music will be saved as an MP3 file on your device. Now, let's see the legal and safe method. Go to YouTube Studio. On the left menu, click on Audio Library. Here you will find thousands of free music tracks. All of them are no copyright and free to use. You can search by mood, style, or duration. When you find a track you like, click Download. The file will be saved directly as MP3. You can use it for videos, projects, or personal use. Not all YouTube videos are free to download. Some music is protected by copyright. Use converters only for personal use. For content creation, always use the YouTube Audio Library. And that's it. Now you know two easy ways to get music from YouTube. One for personal listening and one for copyright-free music. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment to tell me which method you prefer. This helps the channel grow and helps more people learn.